Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the big doll from the red light green light game from Squid Game. So this doll is pretty spooky, but all right, I'm gonna start drawing it in marker. You don't have to do it in marker, you can do it in pencil if you want. But all right, let's get started. I'm gonna just draw her standing up. Okay, so I'm gonna start with her face shape. So I'm just going to make a little curve like that. Okay, so I got her face shaped on. So we came down and gave her a little cheek, and then we've got her chin here, and then we did the same on the other side, her other cheek. Okay, now eyes. I'm going to do a upside down U, and then another upside down U. Now I'm going to put a little circle in the middle, same over here. Okay, and now I'm going to give her a little nose and same shape, upside down U. Okay, now I'm going to give her a straight mouth here, and we're going to give her a little bottom lip and a little top lip. Nothing too big. Okay. Now we are going to make almost a straight line, but it's got a little bit of a curve here on the top of her head. This top of her bangs. And we're going to do the top of her head here. Okay. Top of her head. Now we got to do her little ears. So almost like the shape of a C. And then on the other side we do the opposite. And now we're going to do 2 circles here and 2 circles over here. And these are the little fasteners of her pigtails, the little elastics. So now we're going to do her little pigtails. So I just did a little curve down straight and then almost like a triangle, but not quite. And now we're going to do the same over on this side. Like that. Okay, and I'm going to color her hair in black, so I'll just do this with the marker I'm using now. But if you want, you could wait until we actually get to the rest of the coloring before you color in her hair. But I just felt like doing it now. Alright, so now we're going to give her a little neck. So we got 2 little lines. Now we are going to do a little curve here. And now we're doing the collar of her shirt. So it's almost like the shape of like a flower petal. The collar of her shirt there. Now we're going to do a line here, go across straight. And now we're going to give her a little line here and a little line here. And go on down. Go on down. And now we are going to go out a little bit. And go out a little bit. A little bit more. And we are going to bring this across. But you see how I made it a little bit wavy. This is the bottom of her dress. So I didn't go straight across. I gave it a little bit of a shape. Now I'm going to give her a sleeve. So I just did a line down and then a line straight. Over here, same side, or same thing. Down and go straight. Now her legs. I'm going to go on down. Another line down. Another line down. And another line down. So we can see that her legs are actually going to be a little bit cut off here at the bottom of our page, but that's okay. So up here, I'm going to do a line and then another line. These are for the stockings that she's wearing. And I'll do, you can see the little bottom or the tops here of her black shoes. So they get cut off a little bit, but that's okay. Now her arms. Okay, So her arms are going to be obviously different from any other character's arms because she's like a big robot. So where her elbows are, she's got like a little mechanical kind of situation going where you can see that it is indeed definitely a mechanical doll arm. So go down a little bit, another little line, and right there I'm going to make it a little bit longer. I'm gonna 2 lines like that, come up. So it's almost like we've got like a little black square in the middle there of her arm. We're gonna come on down and do another line. And now we're gonna do her hand. Okay. So now we're gonna do the same thing over here on this side. So line, line, go across, and put like almost like a little black square here. Now we're gonna go down, down, go across, and then come on up, give her her little hand, give her a thumb, and come on in, like that. All right, so now we're gonna do some coloring. So I'm gonna color in her black shoes here. And sorry, they kind of get a little bit cut off here on the bottom of the picture. Maybe I should have maybe I should have drawn her a little bit smaller, or maybe I should have did it this way, but that's okay. Yeah. So I'm going to do some coloring here now. I'm going to start by coloring in her face. Her skin tone is a pretty light color, so I'm just going to go in with this very light kind of powdery skin tone. Try to color all over the place here. But let me know in the comments below if you have seen the show Squid Game. And if you have, do you like it? Do you not like it? It gets pretty intense at times. And especially the part where they're playing the red light, green light game, where this doll is from. That is a pretty intense part. But it's a pretty cool show. All right, so now we're almost done with her skin tone. Just gotta do the tops of her legs here. Okay. Now I'm going to do the yellow of her shirt. So I'll color in her little collar here, and the top of her shirt, and the sleeves. This is actually a super cute outfit. I like it. This robot doll has some good fashion. Okay, now I'm going to take a purple and color in her little hair tie. Okay. Now she also has like really light lips. So we gave her lips a little bit of a color there. I used, this is actually, it says it's a peach. Okay, I gave her lips a kind of a pinky peachy color. And now let's see, let's do the dress. Her dress is an orange. So I'll do this nice bright orange. There we go. And we're almost done all the coloring, but not quite yet. I'm going to take a gray color. This is a warm gray color. And I'm going to put in a few shadows here and there. So I'm going to put in some here on her leg and a little bit from under the dress here. and following down the leg, and then same over here on this leg. And I'm going to do some on the neck, underneath the bangs, maybe the nose, the little corners of her mouth, and maybe the little ears. And I'm going to add a bit of shadow here on her shirt as well, on the dress. And coming down the arm, across here. And I'm going to put little bits of shadow across here, across there on her dress. That's where the dress kind of tightens in around her waist and kind of helps to give the dress a bit more shape. And so I'm going to make some little lines coming down here. This is the way that the fabric would fall. Just like that, and I'll put a few lines going up this way. Because like I said, the fabric is like pinched together here at the waist a bit. So when we're putting the shadows in like this, it helps to give the dress a bit more form, a bit more shape. Alrighty, so I think we are done. Our picture of our spooky but yet cute Squid Game robot doll from the red light, green light game. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed drawing. Please feel free to let me know in the comments what you would like to see for the next Daily Doodle, and I hope to see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, have a good day. Bye!